Right, so just turned up down Jimmy's unit again. Lots more cars and stuff come in now, so let's go and have a look, see what else we got to do. Well, you know, we got the Trans Am to do. He's just done this one, this little silver, what is it? A little Citroen by the looks of it. He's got this big van come in, which needs some work doing on it. Walking through here. As you know, we got the Scimitar, which we're going to start to strip down, and he's also got this little Vivaro in for a bit of bodywork repair on it. And he's also doing work on a previous spoiler that he's sprayed there. He's had to put an extra fin on the back there for the chap, and he does a bit of drift racing and all that, so he's just putting that on for him. And yeah, Gary's down here as well. As you can see, you haven't seen Gary for a while. And as you know from my previous video, I'm not very well at the moment, but I've just popped down here. I'm waiting for Lee to turn up again. Now, as you know, we've done that little spoof video the other day. We're going to be doing the part 2 of that when I feel a bit better. I've got this bleating viral thing that's going about at the moment. Sharon's not had it, lucky enough. My daughter's had it, Tracy. Her husband's now come down with it. There's loads of people around here in the UK that have got it, but no good taking antibiotics because it's a virus. So they've just, Tracy went down there, she's got glandular fever, my daughter, and as I say, they didn't give her any virus, any medication at all, so what's the point of me going down there? So I'm just going to have to run it out. So anyway, waiting for Lee to turn up, as I say, we're going to do that second spoof, and I've opened up another playlist on my channel as well, for us to have a little bit of comedy and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that sort of stuff, you know, we'll be doing them as well, putting them out, and I'll be putting them in their own individual playlist as well. It's just if you like a bit of a laugh and a joke anyway. Just for us, pardon me, to mess about with. You like the comedy, Jimmy?
Not when you're down here.
Not when I'm down here. It's one big laugh when we're down here anyway. We'll be taking the Piaggio body down away from the unit now. That'll give Jimmy a bit more space because he needs to obviously strip down the Scimitar. He's got loads of bits of trim to come off here, like wing mirrors, indicators, aerials, and obviously other ancillary bits. The windscreen trim's got to come out and all that, so headlights, bumper bars and all that. So that's got to be done. You may not see that in this video, but that's what we've got going on anyway. Right, so I'm just going to hang about here till Lee turns up. That's all I can really do, so I'll see you in a minute. Look who's just turned up. Where have you been? I've been waiting for you.
I've been taking the car into the wheels done.
Can you talk a bit louder, please?
No, I can't.
They can't hear you.
I can hear you though.
He was supposed to be up at 8:30 this morning to take this in to have its new wheels put on the front. I phoned him up at 9:15 because I fancied a breakfast. He's on his way.
He's not well, he told me.
I'm not well.
But he can eat. Well, I can't wear that one out.
What do you mean I can eat? I've got to eat, boy.
You said, I'm not well.
Oh, I wasn't. It's always worse when you get up in the morning, aren't you?
I'm not well.
Who are you today, anyway?
I don't know. I'm just...
They're wanting to see our follow-up video to part 1.
Oh, with Bond.
You're not Bond.
Mickey Bond.
It's not Bond. I've got an itch out there.
You know what that is, isn't it?
What?
It means money's coming.
No, and that's there.
Oh, is it? I mean, you giving money out?
Yeah, giving money out.
Money out?
No, that.
Money in?
I've just been doing a bit
money
of work.
Out.
No, I've been doing a bit of work on the Reliant Scimitar.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Alright, nice.
I've been taking the headlights out like that.
How's it go?
A bit like that.
Alright.
Yeah, I've rubbed myself against something and it's given me a little rash.
Of course, yeah.
Do your James Bond voice.
Well, this is James Bond here. Just licensed to kill and sell tobacco. I've been thinking of changing jobs because being a secret agent sometimes, you know, it's not very good.
He thinks he's Roger Moore.
No, I'm not Roger Moore.
Eh?
I'm Roger.
Well, you are James Bond. You're more
Roger the Dodger.
You're more Roger Moore than Sean Connery.
Oh, Sean Connery. Yeah.
But people did say in the parody video we done, you're Roger Moore, or you're James Bond turned into Prince Charles. How did you do that?
Oh, Prince Charles. I don't know what happened there. I just went a little bit posh. But I'll tell you something though.
Is that gun loaded?
Someone said, "Oh, if that's Lee's new wig."
Yeah.
How much?
Someone thought he'd had his hair done already. No, that's how good he can make it normally look.
It nearly come off with me hat.
I daren't lift that hat off now. I don't know what's underneath
it. It nearly come off with me hat.
What's underneath that at the moment?
No, you don't want to know.
Oh, he's back to normal.
I'm getting ready for me.
Right, you ain't been shaving it, have you? Can you show me off camera?
No, they have to do that.
Can you show me off camera?
No, I can't show.
You can show me?
No, I can't show no.
I won't tell him.
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
I've got a feeling it's going to look like this.
Well, they did say when I went, we noticed.
What, the wig people?
They said, yeah, Martin, your mate needs.
Oh yeah, they did,
he's
they?
Going a little bit
they wouldn't have said that because they don't know me.
Well, I showed them.
They don't watch my videos.
I showed them. I said, look at this. What do you think of that?
I bet you said I want my hair like him.
Oh, yours is too high. I want a lower. I want a forehead down here.
Eh?
I want it down. No, I want it down here.
That'd be silly.
I have my hobble
Come
face.
on, let's go and have a breakfast.
Yeah, so is it my turn?
Do you want it to be your turn?
No, it is my turn.
All right then. Well, we're going to go and have a breakfast. See you in a minute.
On that bloody thing.
Hey, come say hello to Jimmy.
Hello, Jimmy boy. Hello.
Where you going?
Come to this car.
That's another.
Is it what mine's going to look like?
Scimitar GTE.
Nice, isn't it?
Yours, this needs respraying, you know. As I say, it's got all bubbles on it and stuff.
Yeah.
Yours is due for the breakers yard. Hey?
I'll have my money back then.
Hey?
I came here yesterday.
Once you put money across the counter, you don't get it back.
I came here yesterday and I said, oh, there's a little bit of money for, you know, carrying like the instalment. I said, where's the car gone?
They sold it.
He says down the dump.
Sold it, yeah.
Down the
Look at the cars he's got here.
You're doing well, isn't
Hey?
I know mine gets left outside.
Hey? Come here, oi. Where are you going?
My little motor.
Come here.
And another thing. It's on top hat. Oh, not top hat.
Top hat, you keep saying it's top hat.
Brick hat. Brick top.
Brick hat.
Brick top.
Oh, anyway, look, he's got a van in there, look.
Still van in
You're
there.
not as big as me today, are you, look?
Not as big as you today.
Huh? Where you going, look? What's all that there? What are you hiding under your jumper?
Nothing, mate.
Look, boy, look. Look.
Oh.
Look.
You hold it in when you do that.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. I've got to keep warm, you see.
Come on, let's go to breakfast.
Alright, we're going to have a breakfast.
I taught him a lesson. I came in here.
What are you taught him?
I gave him some
I'll
money.
teach him life lessons.
I gave him some money.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I said, here's the money for the bits, like, you know.
Yeah.
I said, no, I'm going to sneeze.
What are you squinting for?
I'm not squinting.
Don't sneeze in my direction.
I said.
Go that way.
I said, there's 300 here, right?
Yeah.
I said, here you go. He took it.
Well, he would do.
I'm talking to you. He took it, and I said, well, God, he counted it.
Yeah.
And he counted it. How much was there?
250.
How much?
250.
See, I taught my lesson.
What are you
Always
talking?
check. Don't
Good
take it
point.
for granted. Always check.
And some people get embarrassed when you hand them money.
It weren't real money though.
No, when you hand people money, some people say, "Oh no, that's all right, I don't count it." I always say, "Well, you better count it because I might have given you too much."
That's true. Yeah.
I'll throw it back on them.
You
the
never
other way.
do that though.
No, I never do it, but I'll just say that.
You're a tight bugger.
I can smell your brute today.
What?
I can smell your brute.
Oh, he's got Brute on. Remember Brute in the 70s? He still wears it.
B.O. No, I said to the lady, I said, no, I ain't got all that. I've got B.O. Or not in that one.
Yeah, we don't stock that.
No.
Get out, Ross. We're getting a bit near to me again. I'll get a bit worried about
Come
you.
on, let's go and have some something to eat. I'm
right.
starving.
Come on then, we'll leave
See,
Jimmy.
look, in my belly, it's,
I can see your belly.
my belly is going.
Come on in. Jimmy, we'll see you later. Come on, get out there. Go. Right, open your boot up. Is that nice soft carpet in there?
Take my machine gun out. I always take my machine gun with me.
Of course you do.
I'll be back.
I'm hoping it'll go in at a sort of an angle. If not, you can lay that. I'll tell you what, put it. No, but.
Well, shut up.
Oh, hello. That's nice. Might need that actually.
I've just done this car valetted.
Yeah, all right.
Do this chair forward,
Yes, pull that chair forward.
please.
Do it now. Do you know how to do it?
I can't find the puller.
You can't find the hole? That's it. Whack it forward. That'll do, yeah, that's alright. That's probably enough now, actually. Should go in there alright. Right, let's go and get the bike.